Hi guys, in today's lecture we are going to learn about the if-else statements in C language. In this session we are going to discuss about some of the example scenarios where we can use this if-else statement. What is the syntax of the if-else statement? How does the if-else statement will get executed? Solutions for the example scenarios. Some of the do's and then don'ts, the execution of the if-else statement. Is this agenda clear for everyone? Let us check what is the flowchart if-else statement. The if statement in the flowchart is given by using the decision box. If the condition is true, then it will go and then execute this statement 1. If the condition is false, then it will go and then execute the statement 2. After these two statements, then it will go and then execute the statement n. Let us see what is the syntax of the if-else statement. If condition or test expression or value, opening bracket, true statement block, here it is statement 1, else, and then false statement block, here it is statement 2, and then statement n. Let us check out how does this get executed. First, it will verify if the condition is true or the value given in this if statement is a non-zero, then it will execute the true statement block, statement 1. If at all the condition is false or the expression results the zero value, then it automatically executes the statement 2. So in either of the case, it can only execute one block, either statement 1 or either statement 2. So that sort of the scenarios only we can make use of the if-else statement. Now let us verify the user login. The algorithm display status of the user login will take two inputs. One is the username and then password. It displays the output as either granting access or rejecting the access. The steps are as follows. First step is to read username and then password. Now we need to verify whether the username is equal to BAC and password is CSC. If both the conditions satisfy, then it will display login success. Otherwise, it displays login fail and end. These step-by-step process algorithm is graphically represented just like this. Begin is represented as an ellipse, start symbol. Then it will read the username and then password, which is represented using the parallelogram. Now the decision box to represent the if statement. Here it is going to verify the condition whether the username is equal to BAC and password is equal to CSC. If both the conditions are true, then it will display login success and it will terminate the program. If the condition is false, then it will go in this way and then display login fail and then terminates the program. Now let us see the execution of the use case. Scenario, we are going to read the username and then password. If the username is BAC and then password is CSC, then it needs to display the login success. Otherwise, it needs to display login fail. First of all, we need to declare the string variable. In order to declare the string variable, char user of 100. Similarly, password PSW of 100. String variable which can hold two string values. We need to read the values into user as well as in password. In order to read any string, we are having to majorly use either scanf or getS function. For example, let us use, for this program, I just wanted to introduce you string reading function which is a getS. getS function will read the string. Now we are reading the two of the strings. One is the user and then second one is the password. First of all, the string is collection of the character. Here we are using the getS function to read a string. Login success. Second one is an printf login. In two of the cases, first case, what we need to check if the username is BAC and then password is CSC, then we need to display login success. So if strcmp user comma BAC double equal to 0 and strcmp of PSW comma CSC double equal to 0. So I just wanted to explain about what is this statement. The string compare will compare two strings. One is an user, first string, what we read from the keyboard, and then it is going to compare this user value with BAC. double equal to 0 means both the values, the difference between these two is 0. If it is, if B a value that you enter in user and then BEC both are same, then it results in 0. Otherwise, it will result in some of the number. Similarly, here also the password. In both the conditions, if they are true, then only it will execute the login success. Otherwise, it will display the login is failed. Let us execute this program and then check. First, let us give the condition BEC CS. It is displaying login success. So I just wanted to summarize what we discussed now. Else statement must be immediately followed by the if statement. Else without if statement is not valid. Else does not verify any condition. The problem with the disjoint solutions only implementable with if else statement. Thank you for this session.